JavaScript course part 2. Our topic is let. Let actually is a variable which store any value. This is a simple HTML code. Hope you understand easily because it's not any special thing. I just include app.js here. If you want to understand, this is a small quick start setup, so you can check in a description. I already shared link here there. First of all, I'm going to declare let message. I just use short form msg equal to something, and then I console msg. Let's check now. See here, something appear. We can also declare first and assign message after that, something to, just like this. And we also can assign multiple variables in a one row at a same time, like num and num equal to 59, and I'm going to console num here. Let's check now, something 2 and 59. How can we display both console values beside each other with plus operator? And one thing, hope you are knowing, we can also declare variable with var. It will produce same result. So why we use let instead of var? In order to script, may you find also another keyword var instead of let. The var keyword is almost same as let. It's also declare a variable but slightly different. Let me show you how it's different. First of all, we will check with var. We will try to understand with single variable for better understanding. First of all, I declare text 1, then I console. After that, I redeclare message text 2. Let's see the result. Text 1, and on second row text 2. Same thing we will try with let variable. Let. This code will not allow us to redeclare same variable with second time. just like we can see this error here, identifier message already has declared. I recommend we should use let instead of for because of avoiding override our variable for large application. I hope you like this video. Until next time, goodbye.